welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'm just going to show you that how to block someone on Instagram, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So if you don't want to make any mistake, just make sure to watch the full video to the very end, and do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, open up your Instagram app and just simply come to the menu and tap on the three lines on the top right. And then here you get optional settings and privacy. On the very top, just simply tap on that option and scroll a little bit until you get the option of block. Just simply tap on that option. So here it will show all of your blocked accounts, and if you want to unblock someone, just simply tap on unblock and unblock. So in this way you can unblock, and if you want to block someone, just simply tap on that plus icon on the top right, and here search for the person to whom you want to block, and just simply tap on block and click on block. So that's how you can easily block or unblock someone on Instagram. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below and I'll catch you on the next video. And if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.